One thing that's really interesting about nesting walls into these curved, curtain panels is that these walls begin to have properties of walls, even though they're made out of, they look like a glazed unit. So I can add sweeps to this wall. One thing I might be interested in doing on this kind of curved tower, perhaps, is maybe adding a canopy to the exterior. And I have, you can hear the difference, by the way, in the elevation. I have this sketch here of maybe what a canopy profile might look like. Maybe there's a steel support here, some rails, horizontals that support the glass, and maybe this point supported piece of glass here on the top. And what I'm going to do is bring this in as a series of pieces as a wall sweep. So this is just shown in a hosted sweep profile or hosted profile. But what I'll do is use this sketch as a base, and then transfer my line work to individual families. So I'm going to create a new family here. And this is going to be a hosted profile. So metric profile hosted right there. You can see here, this is my host face, this is the insertion post, this is the host side, this is the outside. So let's tab back over to my family here. I'm going to take this line work that I've already developed, just Control Shift click to add all these lines together, and Control C or Control X, tab over to my new family, and just paste that in. I think it's pasting to the right place here. Really doesn't matter. What I just sort of want is have this relationship correct. The vertical relationship is actually a little less important. But I'm going to send this to -10. That way I'm outside the host. So let's just take this profile right now and load it into my project. And what I want to do is basically define that as a wall sweep. So if I come down here to wall sweep, I have this wall sweep. I'm going to edit this type, call this glass, and I'd like to have the material be glass. And the profile will be my new profile that I just created. And so as I bring this canopy in, basically I'm hosting it to this wall panel. You can see how that sort of works there. And what's really cool is I can really just very quickly manipulate that sweep on this geometry. Turning some shadows on here would be nice. Too much. And the other interesting thing, the other really kind of nice thing about this is it moves up and down very, very easily. Now it will only sort of associate itself with this set of panels. So as it crosses the horizontal, it's gonna want you to define it in this panel. I want to do that, but it's a really fast and easy way to do this, and you can do this with anything. So let me go back here and pull in my supports. Let's just assume that I want these supports done kind of the same way. So I'll copy this, and I just want to create a new family again. Family. Again, I'll do a hosted sweep profile. Back to hosted metric profile. Paste that in. And again, this really could be anywhere because you're going to bring it in separately and you're going to adjust that height. So let's just say this is generically correct, and I'll load this in. Perhaps, save the name. This into the project. And I can just maybe copy this sweep down. I want to. And just duplicate this. Call it canopy strut. And in here, for my profile, canopy support, perhaps pick a new material here. Call this maybe aluminum. And you can see that it's taken that profile, basically curved it around the geometry. I can just slide that back up into position, adjust that as I need to. So just doing that. Now I have support for my glass. Now this works the same way. I can take this geometry and continue to curve it around the tower really, really easily, and also manipulate it vertically as well. So it's a really neat trick, and it's an easy way to begin to add geometry using some of the properties that you can use nesting walls into curtain walls.